For getting multiple harvestings from a single spinach plant, it is very important to know the proper method to harvesting the spinach. In this video, I am going to show you the right harvesting method of the spinach leaves. This method helps you to grow spinach leaves again and again from a single plant. It is very easy to grow spinach from seeds, and you can grow more and more spinach leaves by following the right method. Sometimes we cut the spinach leaves from the wrong point, and in result, the spinach plant dries. But if you cut the spinach leaves above from the crown of the plant, the spinach plant keeps on growing and gives you the fresh juicy spinach leaves time to time. The crown is the point from where all the leaves grows. As you can see, this is the crown of the plant from where all the leaves are growing. If you cut the plant down from the crown, it doesn't grow more spinach leaves. For getting continuous harvest from the spinach plant, it is important to cut the leaves above from the crown. The new spinach leaves regrow from the crown continuously. This is the harvest of spinach leaves from this small basket. You can get 5 to 6 harvests from these plants very easily. But another most important thing to get multiple harvests from the spinach plants is the proper fertilization of spinach plants. To avoid the nutrition deficiency, you can use nutrients-enriched compost. You must use compost after harvesting the spinach leaves. It helps the plant to produce spinach leaves healthily. Just sprinkle a handful of compost and add water thoroughly. The nutrients dissolves in the soil and helps the plant to grow bigger spinach leaves. You can use compost every 10 days with the same method. It is very easy to make organic compost using vegetable peels. And I am going to make a video on this topic very soon. You can subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notified. If you don't add any fertilizer, the plant produces very small leaves. For multiple harvests, it is important to give frequent nutrients to the plant. If the plant feels happy, it also produces healthy fresh spinach leaves. Follow these tips to regrow your spinach plants. You can use these spinach leaves after washing them with water.